Okay, so now you see here on Amazon.com, the paperback is available. So the paper on Amazon.com, you also have the paperback and the Kindle version, whereas on Amazon.in, it is just the Kindle version. So yeah, so getting to sell the paperback version in India becomes a little expensive, because it is you have to pay like $7.5 just for the shipping. So yeah, so that's, see, this is for Kindle Unlimited. If at all you are subscribed, no thanks. Yes, I want to read for free on Kindle Unlimited. So if I choose this option, then I'll have to opt for, read many books which are available on Kindle subscription, which are available on Kindle Unlimited. I could just get a lot of books and read every month. So if you are a lot into ebook and stuff, then it makes sense for you to go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so yeah, so this is the information, product information. Let's just see what look inside looks like. Yes, so this is a book. I'll just show you inside how it looks. Yeah, so this is about the author. Like I told you, copyrighted material, it already shows here. See, on each thing it shows copyrighted material. Then I'll just show you like the acknowledgements, table of contents, how far all, okay, this is a preview. The number of pages displayed would be limited. Okay, so yeah, we've combined the illustrations. So by now, how many of you, I'm sure there are, a lot of different opinions that, you want to come up with your own book and stuff. So Amazon is the right place. But if you're looking for a paperback version, you need to make sure that, you probably need to, else, what happens is, you can have it published on Amazon.com. Then you can choose to, you get to choose, you get to opt for 999 copies. You can buy your author copies, and the author copies is you just have to pay only for the printing. Like I showed you on Amazon.com, the book of my price is $10. But when I bought it, I just paid for the printing cost. I only paid for the printing and the shipping cost. So 999 copies you get to order, and those copies you can go ahead and market it in India. So some of the tips to start writing an ebook: choose the topic and define the audience. Go ahead with structuring. Like, yes, the first thing is choose your topic and the audience. That's it has to be target specific, audience centric, and all of that. Structure it. We've done this in book writing. The same thing goes into the ebook as well. You need to structure your piece. You need to focus on your audience. You need to come up with an idea, research the concept. Then what does your protagonist want? Go ahead with selecting a plot. All of this when you're into novel writing and novel, publishing your book based on a novel and stuff, right? Then you need to make sure it is in a right format, acceptable by the ebook platforms. And of course, editing and proofreading being the utmost important part. So choosing the right platform. So yeah, in e-publishing, the three formats are very popular, which is Mobi, .EPUB, and iBooks. Then you have different layouts, fixed layout. In fixed layout, you have to fix the position of images or infographics independent of the content in the book. Don't go initially with a fixed layout. Flexi layouts, you can go ahead and change the layout as per the content, right? So at first use flexi layouts to modify as per the need in the future. So cover of the book tells you the essence of the story. And yes, again, I want to come back to the cover of book and show you my book cover was designed by my sister. So make sure it's custom made. This is my book cover. And yeah, make sure it's custom made so that you get a complete, you get to choose your design and what your book talks about. So make sure it is the cover book should be very, that talks a lot about your book basically. Some common tools or software to convert the document or PDF file to an ebook format. So you can just have a look at these and keep this important information in your mind. Creating multimedia and colorful ebooks. So you have different options over here, and an author of ebook can choose to publish the content with attaching multimedia and design it with colorfully with blurb, or a book creator, KDP book, kids book creator, Apple iBooks author. So you have these different formats and stuff, so you can go ahead and choose. Then I told you this distribute, if you happen to put up your book on KDP Select, you cannot have it published on any one